let's have a look at how to add a font in Canva. Please note that adding fonts in Canva is a Canva Pro feature, so you need Canva Pro in order to add fonts. In Canva Pro, to add a font, go to Brand on the left side, then scroll down and under Fonts right here, click on Edit. Then click on Manage Uploaded Fonts right here, and finally click on Add New to add a new font to Canva. All that is left for you to do now is to select the font on your computer, and then click on Open. And confirm this message right here. After you've done that, when you left click on a font in your design, and then click on Font above, you will then be able to find your new font here in the fonts list. If you know the exact name of your font, you can simply insert it right here and search for it like that. And this is how you add a font in Canva. In case you don't have set up a brand kit yet in Canva, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen, and then click on Home. On Canva's homepage, go to Brand, and then on the right side, click on Add New. To create a new brand kit, you can only add fonts within brand kits. And this is how you add and upload fonts to Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one, bye.